In this tutorial, we're going to be building a recruitment agency called Talent Nexus. And basically, if you're looking to hire, if you're looking for a job, you can basically find your talent here on our website. So this is a cool design, tech talent delivered. You can see trusted by tech companies, um, the tech jobs, apply now, all the opportunities. Why choose talent nexus, testimonials, you can go through our testimonials. Yeah, basically the world is yours. We have a contact section, our address, phone number, email, our live chat, you know, basically have everything. You can check out about us, our mission, our leadership team, our values. Yeah, so let's get into the build. So we're going to be building a recruitment agency, and what we're going to be needing is N8N, Loveable, and ChatGPT. Yeah, so let's go. Okay, so here we are on Loveable, and we need to now basically build our recruitment agency. So what we want to do is just search lovable.dev, and then let's go to ChatGPT to get our prompt. Okay, when you're in ChatGPT, you just want to search. That's what I did. I said, I'm building a website for my recruitment agency. I need a layout for my website built in Loveable. So provide me with a prompt to paste in Loveable. And then I just copied this, design pages and sections, home pages, job seeker pages, employee pages, about us page, contact us page, and then the style. And then I see that's for a tech agency that focuses on tech. And then, yeah, basically I just copied the whole thing. And then I went into Lovable and I pasted it. And you will see now how it looks. Wow, look at this. Look at this beautiful website. Built in Lovable. Let's make it bigger. Let's see this design. Wow, this is really cool. This is amazing. Whoa, tech talent delivered. Amen. Find jobs, hire talent, home, job seekers, employees, about us, contact. Talent Nexus, we can definitely change the name. Tech specializations, front end, back end, data, DevOps. Wow, this is amazing. Trusted by leading tech companies. Okay, you can put in your own companies here. Featured tech jobs, senior front-end development, DevOps engineer, data scientist, blockchain developer. Wow, this is amazing. Why choose Talent Nexus? I have what people are saying, testimonials, which is cool. Then it's ready to find the next opportunity. And then they have a contact, the services, quick links, and then they have a short descriptions of the talent agency. There's a LinkedIn, Twitter, and an email, which is quite cool. So let's navigate through here. Let's go to job seekers. Find your dream tech job. Wow, this is accurate, eh? And you can basically search anything, a job title, full time. You can filter as well. You can always edit that. And you can search. Let's go to employees. Hire elite tech talent. Wow, request talent. Permanent placements, contract roles, executive tech hiring. This is amazing. And we built this in like what, it took like a few minutes in Loveable. And we can still edit this, book a discovery call. This is amazing. So let's go to the about us section. Our leadership, I can always put my name here. My partners, the founders, our values, tech mission, matching, innovation, focus, integrity, and then our vision. This is amazing. Join our mission. And then we have a contact. Wow, look at this. This is amazing. Okay, so let's go to N8N. Now that we got our beautiful recruitment agency website built. Okay, so we're back in N8N and we're going to be building our AI agent for our recruitment agency. So first things first, we want to trigger our trigger should be on web call. And then we're going to change the HTTP from get to post. Our path we can change to recruit agency. Let's just make it something like that. And then response authentication is none. Response can be for now left as immediate. And then we need the webhook. So we want to test this URL. So let's click the test, and then let's go back into Loveable to import this webhook. So now we're back in our Loveable website. So we can just type in here is the webhook, and then what we can do is we can paste this webhook here. And then we want to say every time um, every time someone so we basically want to every time somebody goes through the website and then wants to hire talent, we will get notification on the back end. So let's go to find, is it contact us? No, hire talent. Every time somebody wants to hire talent, they fill in this, send us a message. So every time they send us a message, so I must actually say every time um, someone clicks the send a message button in the hire talent section, the webhook, the N8N webhook gets triggered. Okay, so what else do we want to do? And then we can break this down in N8N. But okay, let's go ahead and search. So Loveable said that it integrated the webhook into the contact form. So now when a user submits the form with a hiring tech talent section as the inquiry type, it will trigger the specified N8N webhook. So let's go into N8N and test this. So now let's test, and then let's go back into our Lovable and let's go to hire talent, request talent. Let's fill in this form. So in ChatGPT, we want to get our prompt for our recruitment agency. So basically, we want to just type, I am building a website for my recruitment agency. I need a layout for my website built in lovable.dev, and then I need a layout for my website. And what else can I add? Built in Lovable, and so let's just say so provide me with a prompt to paste into Lovable. Okay, very simple. Let's see what ChatGPT can generate. Okay, so here we got our prompt. It's a very short prompt in ChatGPT, but you know what? Let's go for it. And let's see what Loveable can. Let me know if your agency has a niche, tech, finance, healthcare. I can tweak the prompt. Okay, let's just say it's based in tech. Um, in tech. Okay, here's a prompt in. So we got the home page, we got job seekers page, we got employees page, about us page, contact page, style. Okay, want me to help write copy for any of these sections? Not today. Let's just copy this and copy. Let's go back to Lovable. Okay, so now in Lovable, let's just paste the prompt in and search, and then let's wait. Okay, so we got this beautiful website now. So if we just make it bigger, we will see the full website. Let's see how it turned out. Wow, tech talent delivered. This is amazing. We're a recruitment agency. Find tech jobs, higher development, front end, back end, data, DevOps. Trusted by leading tech companies. Featured tech jobs, senior front end developer, DevOps, and it has like where you are resident, your revenue for the year, and your hours. Apply now. This is amazing. Why choose Talent Nexus? Our testimonials. It's amazing. And then you can check the team out. Let's go to job seekers. Scroll up. Oh, it's like a search. So you can full time, remote contract. You can filter, search your jobs, whatever. Upload a CV. Okay, cool. Employees. Then we got request talent. Got a message. We want to be building this out without anything. Get in touch about us, the missions, our team, our values, our tech, our vision for tech. And then you can join the mission, contact us. There's it again. We're gonna be building the get in touch form section. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so now in N8N, and first things first, our trigger is going to be a webhook. So you wanna go to the plus icon, just search webhook, and then the one that has the lightning bolt, click it, and then you'll get the webhook. Easy as that. But we have one already, so we're not going to use it. Then you want to open it up. You want to change. You're just going to say get. You want to change the post. You want to change. You don't have to change the path. You're going to get a lot of numbers, but I just like to neaten it up. So I just said recruit agency, authentication none, response immediate for now. And then what we want to do is we want to go and copy this webhook, um, the URL for the test, and then let's basically go back to Loveable and prompt the website. Okay, so I already prompt this website. I just said here is the webhook, and then I pasted the test URL in, and then I said every time someone clicks the send a message button, which is this one, in the higher talent section, uh, the N8N webhook gets triggered. Okay, and then we basically need to now test this. So yeah, let's fill this form in. Okay, so we're just filling in everything here. Company name Dev. We're gonna pick hiring tick, not looking for jobs, and then we're gonna say a mm, I am I'm looking for a non-tech technical co-founder Please help. Let's see. And then let's click send the message. Message sent. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Let's go back to N8N. And we have successfully triggered the webhook. Let's scroll down. You got name, email, phone number, company name, and a message. Cool. So this worked. Let's build this agent. Let's pin this data. So we have it saved. Let's go to our AI agent. And what we want to do now is we want to add a chat model. So let's go to ChatGPT and we're gonna use the Loveable one. We're gonna go for model 04 mini. If you guys want to find out how to connect the API, just watch my previous videos. Then we're gonna leave the tools for today. Or let's no we not we need a tool. Let's tool for today can be Gmail. You can also add, if you want, you can also add a Slack. Um, you can add Slack. You can add Airtable. Anywhere you can want to record this data. If you're starting out, if your agency, um, you can receive emails as well. So for me, if somebody sends me a message, I always check my email. Um, and I'm quicker to respond over email. So what I'll do is I'll set up my Gmail, and then what you can do is um, basically the credentials. It's very simple. Just log in with your Gmail, and then it will be connected. Very simple. The tool description. It should automatically resource, leave as message, operation. Operations can be left as sent, and then what we're gonna do is a tool we can use AI. So let's just click the AI, and then AI for subject, and then email type can be text, message can be AI, and then we want to turn off a pin. What else is there? Send the name. We want to, okay, we can just, we don't have to add a send the name really. What other options are there? Send the name, send replies to, okay, cool. And then what we can do is we can go and test this now. So what we're gonna do is clear all the data and then test. Go back to our website and make sure it's loading. Then we can get in touch. Let's go and fill in the blanks. Inquiry. Hello. Let's see if it works. Send message. Message is sent. Let's see if it triggers. Oh, cool. Send the message. Send the email. Email is sent. Sent. Okay, cool. So this is the message we got. If I wonder if we need to just put in everything automatically, like the tool, the email. But let's see. Okay, let's go into. Okay, there we go. I got an email. Rocket code. And then the name, rocket code, phone number, company, inquiry, hiring, message was hello. I'm just trying to see why it got my email. Okay, probably sent back to me this email. But there we go, I got the email from new inquiry from Rocket Call. It gave me the subject name. If I go back to N8N, new inquiry from Rocket Code, the message was this, the name, email, basically gave me everything, name, email. And yeah, so basically the world is yours. You can send your You can have the output to be sent, like I see it in your Airtable. You can do it in your Google Sheets, update your Google Sheets. You can use Airtable if you're recording customers' dot information, literally anything. But for me, I prefer Gmail. So now I know I can just basically reply an email and then set up a meeting, you know. So yeah, this is the very simple agent. If you want a copy and you don't want to do all this work, you can just go below to the Discord community, and I will leave the JSON file there where you can just copy it and then come open a new workflow in N8N and just import a file, import from file, and then you'll have this. All you have to do is put in your own credentials in. Yeah. So let's go ahead and test this workflow again. And then going to our recruitment agency website. This is one of the best recruitment agency websites in the world, built with no code. And then let's go to hire talent, request talent. Let's fill in maybe another name. Let's say Leonardo DiCaprio. Leonardo, I'm spelling your name wrong, but forgive me. Let's stick with that email, that phone number. Let's say Leonardo works in the Leonardo's an actor, so film industry. And then Leonardo once is looking maybe. Let's say Leonardo is looking for opportunity. And then he's looking for a job opportunity, and then I'm a famous actor looking for a job in IT. Let's see what happens. Send message, message is sent. Let's go to the workflow. It's not being triggered. Let's stop. Let's go back. Let's refresh this so it can be triggered. Okay, it's refreshed. Let's try again. Leonardo DiCaprio. Home industry, looking for talent. Let's go back. Let's test this workflow. Let's hop here and then let's say looking for developers. Send. Is it sent? It's this workflow. Still not. Okay, no worry. We will find. Okay, so we're gonna do it rather in Loveable. Where we're gonna open up a new tab for the website. And let's see if it's testing. It's not testing. It's could have checked. It's testing now. Yes, it's testing now. So let's go to hire talent, request talent, and let's search Leonardo again. Same email. Here we go. From ministry, looking for a job. I mean for opportunity, looking for a dev job, and let's send message. Message sent. Let's see N8N. Still not working. So let's go back into Loveable and our website. The webhook is not responding now. Fix this. Here is the webhook again. Let's just go back to N8N, go back to the webhook, copy this webhook back into Loveable, paste it, and then let's wait. Okay, so basically, Lovable said that they fixed the webhook integration by making these changes. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up into a new tab. Let's go and delete this and it in workflow. Let's wait. Okay, cool. And then let's go to hire talent, request talent again. It's Leonardo. Let's see if this should work. And then looking for a job opportunity. Looking into a new industry. Okay, let's send message. Message sent. Okay, there we go. Agent worked. And let's see our output. So basically, it's been sent to the recipient's email. Let's go to this. It's been sent aside. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, let's check our emails. We got two emails. Recipient. Okay, cool. And it look it's like neatly set up. Leonardo DiCaprio, email, phone number, company, film industry, inquiry. So what I would do is I would send a follow up email. We can actually let AI send us a follow up email for us. Maybe we can do it in the next video. Just comment down below if you want to see a part two where we take this into another level. So this is our um, our recruitment agency website built with Loveable and using N8 tools like N8N on the back end to record our messages, to send our feedback to our email. There's many more you can do with N8N. You can use when users can upload things like upload CVs, the CV, and then in it can be programmed into N8N, and N8N will put the CV up into a type of rag, holding up like a rag agent, where the rag agent will scan the CV and push out different data. So there's many things you can do with the agents in N8N. And it's powerful. So comment down below what you want to see next, whether it's websites, in agents. Yeah, let me know. If you want a copy of the in agent, like I said, go down to the Discord community and get a copy of it for yourself. And then all you have to do is download it, go into open up a new workflow, and then just import the file. And you just put in your own credentials. Okay, cool. I'll see you guys in the next video.